Hey everybody, Felix Staffelbaker here. I just wanted to make a quick video about the new Safepal wallet that they had just sent me. So thank you, Safepal, and I'm going to go ahead and show you what's in this box. So, nice little box here. We've got Safepal on the front. Very nice little box. So we open this up and we can see our Safepal wallet. Very cool. This thing is very shiny and it's built well. It feels like it's built well. It's got a lot of little features on it. It's got a camera on the back. It's got a little button on the side here. It's got a little interactive user interface here with a screen right above it for easy use. It's got a charging port and also to be able to connect it to your computer when you go online. This is an offline wallet to be able to hold your secure cryptos, and they recently added EOS, and this is the reason why I took interest to Safepal, and also the reason that they sent it to me, so I can put EOS on there and share it with the community. So very cool. Let's see what else is in this box. So you have your charging cord and computer cord, and behind here you have an instruction manual. You can scan that and read all about it. And then it also comes with several mnemonic phrase backups. There's 3 of them, so you can save your backups in different places and keep your funds safe. It comes with a couple of stickers, very cool. And then it also comes with a little cloth to be able to wipe your wallet off if it gets dirty. So overall, very cool. I like this, and I will be using this wallet in the future. Again, it's the Safepal wallet. They have recently added EOS as their to the list of supported cryptos. So go ahead and check out Safepal if you guys like what you see. It's very thin. It's like a credit card thickness or size. Very cool. Alright, Staffelbaker out.